There are several ways to locate primary sources in our library. Your first stop should be the Primary Sources page on the library's website. To get there, click on the Social Studies tab, and then select Primary Sources. This page includes information about what a primary source is, a video to help you distinguish between primary and secondary sources, information about how to use primary sources, and links to online primary sources for both American history and world history. Another repository for primary source information is on the Research Databases tab. On this page, click the link for Gale Online Resources. Once you're on the Gale page, scroll to the bottom and select either the U.S. History and Context database or the World History and Context database. Once you're in the database of your choosing, look at the search box in the top right corner. Above the search box, find the link that says Primary Sources and click it. When you do that, you'll notice that the button next to the search box has changed from Search to Search Primary Sources. You're now ready to enter your search term. You'll now see a list of all the primary sources that are available in the database you chose. Some of the primary sources, like this, are simply the text of the primary source itself. Others, like this, contain some additional information. This article has background information, the text of the primary source, and an analysis of the significance of the source. Regardless of which type of page you're looking at, there's some important information at the bottom that you should take note of. The first is the document URL. This is the address that you will need if you ever want to get back to this article. Do not use the address in the address bar. It will not work if you attempt to use it later. The other information that you need here is the source citation. This is the information that is required for your Works Cited page that you will need for the end of your project. Another good source of primary source materials is the library catalog. In the library catalog, enter your search term, and you'll see a list of books related to that search term. Some of these may include primary source material. The other place you can go is to the Websites tab on the top right. Once you're on the Websites page, find the link that says Source, and from the drop-down box, select Primary Source Material. Then click the Go button. All of the links that include primary source material will come to the top of the list. To see any of them, click on the title, and it will take you to the page that includes primary source material. One thing to note, do not use the address in the address bar to get back to this page. For any information about the address, you'll need to use the link that's found right here next to Average User Rating. These are the most efficient ways to find primary sources in our library. If you need help locating or evaluating a primary source, please don't hesitate to ask Mrs. Potter for help.